What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to a very exquisite villa in Marbella called Villa Marbesa. Very close to the beach, blending elegance with modernism. I'm about to show you such an amazing property, so let's dive in. So there you have it, Villa Marbesa, a dream home in every sense. If you're captivated in this home as I am, please hit the like button and subscribe and get in touch with me for a viewing or for a virtual viewing, why not? So thank you for watching.